Yo everyone, Bunny here, welcome. So hope you guys are having a great day. It's Heroes Weekend, and as promised, today you're getting that Bashment Granny the movie clip. Of course, be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell after you subscribe to get notifications for whenever I upload to the channel. Of course, we have plenty of content for you here, belly full of laughter, all these things. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Babalita.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, wagwan. Babalita.
Well, she might eat and drink here, but she don't sleep here.
My youth. Me a Babalita boyfriend. A Babalita.
Well, in that case, it's two man she have.
Let me repeat myself again. Me a Babalita boyfriend. Where she there?
Baba! Baba!
Yeah!
One plainclothes policeman out here to you.
Shebada, this is my boyfriend. Trevor, this is my boss.
Yo, come here. I want 100,000 barrel like right now.
Trevor, you sick?
Some man after me. I mean, if you get my back like no.
Where we get $100,000 from? Trevor, me not have them type of money there. A $40,000 loan me have in my account and I need to pay my school fee.
Mo take care of your school for your time is right.
Trevor,
Right now, me need the money.
Trevor, but I have to make sure I have some money because my auntie about for put me up, man.
Listen, you're my woman made day. We have to be there for each other. Look at me here. Would I do anything to jeopardize this? Find the money, man. Take it from your boss or something. Buy it. Tell him some story. Tell him so you get it back next week or something. I need the money like today. Go on, man.
I have something just for you. How much money you have?
$1,000.
What?
$1,000.
Look here. Go up there, so you see one thrift shop, go spend your money there, so. Outside, she right here, come with $1,000.
I lie.
She can find $1,000 things at every time.
I should don't stay good.
As much as
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, officer.
May I look for a man?
If you look good round your son, and a man we sell our clothes to check GP.
Smart boy. I'm going again. May I look for a man to come around here so early this evening?
Him not have no name. I say, man, him mother and father live bad.
Trevor. Bad Boy Trevor.
No, Trevor not here.
Oh, I am woman.
And you are my competition?
What? Run a sour attitude factory.
Yeah. Yes, you don't see it.
You know see it? I will lock it down, you know. I put the whole out up for retirement.
What you want? What you want, officer? What Trevor do?
You see when you see Trevor tonight and I'm blowing at your face, you ask him that.
No, man, no. The officer here carry out good probing.
This is my first visit, and it won't be the last. You name Shebada, and you name Babalita.
Bye, Bert.
And thanks for the reminder.
We don't need to go down to the government printing office for a copy of the Constitution and study on the rights. Because when me come back, it's going to be 25 to life. Trevor wanted $1 million in fraud. So the two of you take heed. Or else the two of you end up in a prison. I take something else.
Prison fit me.
And Tekken fit me.
What fit you?
Nothing.
Good. Him outside there, Baba.
Right. What you know about me?
And me.
Yo. What do you mean by police look for me? Well, that is your friend before you call me.